number higher or lower? We are playing the guess game. The game is as follows. I picked a number from 1 to n, and it's just an unknown number. They will give us as a parameter to this function. You have to guess which number I picked. Every time you guess wrong, I will tell you whether the number I picked is higher or lower than your guess. Okay, so how can we know that? We need to pass our guess value in this function, and then they will return -1 if it is higher than that. If it is higher than the real number he picked, I picked, okay, and then if it is lower than that, it will return 1, and then if it is equal 0, then we need to return the number we guessed, right? That is true. Okay, so when the number is 10, that means it will have 1 to 10. He picked 6, and then we need to return 6. Okay, so we can solve in many ways. For the first way, we can solve order of n, right? We can loop from 1 to n, and then we need to look for every we need to check every guess, right? 1, we will guess 1. Here it is the one you guessed, you picked. No, it is not. So other time we will go, right, until we reach the number he picked, right? So it's gonna be order of n, but we can reduce our time complexity from the order of n to order of log n by using the binary search, because instead of going every numbers, we will divide two parts, right? And then we will look for the middle values, and then we divided the 1 to n into 2 parts, and then we will get the one middle value, and then we will check the middle value. If it is we will compare that, right? If the middle value is greater than that, that means greater than the one he picked, that means we need to look for the left side, right? The other if it is not, we need to find on the right side, so we can reduce, right, the time complexity a lot. And then even if we are using the binary search, we can reduce divide the sequence like from 1 to n by dividing 2 parts, right? By getting the middle value after we divide the 2 parts, right? Instead of doing 2 parts, we can divide it into 3 parts. That's called ternary search. So that means we will divide 3 parts, so we will get 2 middle values, and then we will play we will guess by using the middle values, by using those 2 middle values, so we can reduce the time complexity a lot, right? So let's try this one. In the same way, we will need the left pointer and then right pointer, right? Left pointer will start from 1, and then right pointer will end on n, right? Okay, why left pointer less than equal right pointer? We will look for the middle values, because we will divide 3 parts, so we will get 2 middle value, right? Mid 1 and then mid 2. Okay, so when we divide half, we divided what is them? We divided by 2, right? Now we will divide 3 parts. That's why we got 2 middle values. So for the first middle value, we have the left side pointer and then right side pointer, right? And then left side pointer, left pointer plus right pointer minus left pointer by 3. So we will get the first middle value, and the second middle value is right pointer minus right pointer minus left pointer by 3. So we got 2 middle values, right? So we will guess, right? Okay, ULT result 1R1 equal, we can call this function, right? GE as guess mid 1 R2 mid 2. Okay, so if R1 equal 0, that means if they are equal, we will return mid 1, right? Okay, the case mid 1 is correct. Okay, and then if R2 equal 0, that means the guess mid 2 is correct. Okay, this is the success case. If it is not success, if R1 less than 0, that means it is smaller than that. So we need to take only very left side part, right? So at the time we need to change our right pointer to mid1 minus 1, right? Else if R2 greater than 0. So that means on the very right side, right? So at the time we need to change our left pointer to mid2 plus 1, right? Mid2 plus 1, right? Else if it is not, we need to change both of them, right? Left pointer is gonna be mid1 plus 1, and then right pointer is gonna be mid2 minus 1. We will take only in the middle part, okay? So by doing that this way, we can guess the number. Okay, guess number. No, oh, okay. Oh, okay. So we need to return the default values, right? So return -0 or -1 is okay. And then I think, did they give some numbers? No, they didn't get any numbers to return, right? If it is not equal or something. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.